Hey, good morning, Lee Middle School. So hopefully your Monday is starting off well. So I've got my guest star here, Cora. She's gonna help me walk you through what we're doing this week. So here I'm doing a little different. So hopefully you can get a better idea of what we're doing and where to find stuff. So here we're looking at Google Classroom. So it does say 8th grade art. If you're in 6th grade, you got the same assignment, so it's laid out exactly the same for you. Um, and then in Google Classroom, if you go to the top where it says classwork, this is where you will see all of this information here. So all of the stuff that we've done for the first couple weeks. So if you have not done week 1 or week 2, you can still do that, still get it turned into me. I'll still accept it. So I know things are weird right now being at home, and trying to do all of your schoolwork from home and manage a schedule, all of that. So if you have not done week 1 or week 2, you can still do that. I'll still accept it. You're still good to go there. Now week 3, we scroll down. You'll see that we have a Monday check-in. Make sure you do that. It's just a quick form. Lets me know how you're doing. It's a good way to let me know if you need anything, need any help. I do read those. And then under that is our week 3 pick 3 challenge. So I'll scroll down. This is the teacher view. So you'll see that somebody already turned it in. But you will have, if we scroll down, you'll see the 8th grade art e-learning guide. This is where you'll find information on everything that we're doing. So week 1, week 2, week 3, it's all in there. So I'll show you everything that you need right from this e-learning guide, so you know exactly what Cora agrees. So now if I scroll down in this slide presentation, you'll see everything that you needed from week 1 and week 2. And then week 3. So we're looking at the main focus of this is idea development. And what you're going to do, you are going to pick a prompt. There's a list of prompts. So prompts are just general ideas to get you started. So if you click that prompt list, and these are all, if I go back to Google Classroom, you'll see all these same things that I'm going to show you here are all linked up as separate links right in that Google Classroom assignment as well. So I went here, created prompts, click the list. Here's the list. You're going to pick 3 of these things. There's a lot of things, but you're going to pick 3 of them. So you'll pick 3 of them, and then it is up to you how you want to create them. So you could draw, you could paint, you could do all kinds of different stuff. You could sculpt them, you could find stuff around the house to make them. So if you're looking for new fun art ideas, at the beginning of this stay-at-home order, I asked you what you wanted more of, and a lot of people said they wanted fun YouTube videos to watch. So here is a fun art YouTube video playlist that you can check out, and that has a whole bunch of different cool techniques that I found that you can try. So you could use some of those to create something from the prompt list. So the goal, select 3 things from the prompt list, create them, and then you're going to put them into your Google slide presentation that we made during week 1, and then submit them by this Friday. Now, if you don't have any art supplies at home, hey, that's okay. You can work digitally. Here are 3 different drawing sites that I found on free online drawing resources you can use. I'll just give you this one as a quick example. This is pixel art, so you can go in and you can use it. You can draw and create different things there. Auto draw is another one. So there's all kinds of stuff that you can use to make different artwork. So if you have questions, please reach out, send me an email. I'm happy to help. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing the artwork that you make this week.